Hello friends, welcome to our channel WB Physics World. Let's go solve this problem.
1 mole of an ideal gas undergoes a process P equal to P0 by 1 plus V0 by V whole square. Here P0 and V0 are constants. Find the change in temperature of the gas when the volume is changed from V0 to 2V0. So the pressure P is equal to P0 by 1 plus V0 by V whole square. Now at V equal to V0, pressure is P equal to P0 by 1 plus V0 by V0. So this is basically P0 by 2. Now from the ideal gas equation is PV equal to RT. So Ti is equal to PV by R. Here P is P0 by 2 when V is V0. So initial temperature Ti is P0 V0 by 2R. Now at V equal to 2V0, pressure is P0 by 1 plus V0 by 2V0. So this is basically P0 by 1 plus 1 by 4. So P0, this is 5 by 4. So P equal to 4 P0 by 5. So if TF be the final temperature, so this is given by PV by R. So here P is 4 P0 by 5 and V is 2 V0 by R. So this is basically 8 P0 V0 by 5 R. So the change in temperature, this is basically TF minus Ti is equal to 8 P0 V0 by 5R minus P0 V0 by 2R. So P0 V0 by R is 8 by 5 minus half. So this is basically P0 V0 by R. So this is 10, 16 minus 5. So change in temperature delta T is 11 by 10 P0 V0 by R. So the option B is correct.